All right, let me share with you briefly 8 proven strategies you can boost your Temu affiliate marketing and become very successful. Honestly, I got disappointed with a lot of videos I see on YouTube telling people to join Temu's affiliate marketing. This is not the proper approach in this business. A beginner should be able to know what it takes to be successful, what to be doing. All right, you don't just tell people to join a business when the person does not have that basic understanding of doing the business and become successful. So that's why I I had to create this video to tell you, to educate you on what and what to be doing when you join Temu affiliate marketing. Now, the first thing you have to do below this video, you see a link. Tap on that link. That link will take you to this blog post. This is where you have to sit down and learn. Just learn the basic, because affiliate marketing, you need a big audience. You need an audience, not just your WhatsApp, not just your Facebook. There's so many places on the internet where you can promote your link or your affiliate product. So be careful, calm down, relax yourself, get to study how to do this business successful before you can decide to join any affiliate marketing, any place, any time in the world. So when you're on this blog post, you see 8 ways to post demo affiliate earnings on Facebook, WhatsApp, TikTok, YouTube. These are proven ways you have to start. This is what you have to know first. By the time you know this very well, you can now join any affiliate business or marketing and you'll be successful. So there's no time to elaborate on this. Just tap the link, come to this blog post here, sit down and learn how to do this thing. Right? Learn how to do them one after another. Honestly, you have any challenge, I am free. You can contact me. Right? I can give any assistance you need, because one thing about affiliate marketing is when you are able to educate people on what to do and they become successful, you too will be successful in the business. So that is it on what you should be doing. There are so many things on this blog post. You have to learn one after another. The blog post is well detailed for a beginner to understand what to do and what not to do to be successful. Now, let's look at how to join Temu's affiliate marketing, the benefits, what you have to do, and what you have not to do. Now, the first thing you do, there's a link below this video. Just tap on that link. It will take you to this page. This is not exactly how you are going to see your own. You use your Google account or any email account and sign up. The reason is that if you use it, you will be authorized immediately and you will start promoting. So by the time you sign up and you are authorized, okay, because Temu will send a code to your Gmail or your email account. You copy that code and put it back on Temu. Temu will approve your this thing. So you become an affiliate with them, and this is how the page will look like. Now you can see all this. I just joined this program 2-3 days ago after watching so many videos online, and I was not satisfied with what they do because it's misleading. They didn't tell me what I have to know, but I have to come out with this video to tell people what they have to know, not just joining. I'm a Nigerian, and this is my account. I joined this immediately. I joined. This is what they give me as a bonus, and this is not important for now. What I want you to know is this is what you see. This is what you see. You see all this product here. You see all this product here. You see all this product here. You see this product. If you want to share this product to someone now, take note, please. Share this product to someone that has not installed Temu app on his or her phone before. If you share it to someone that have it, you will not make any commission. In short, before you even start this business, read the terms and conditions of this Temu's affiliate marketing. Otherwise, you will waste a whole lot of your time for nothing. Sit down, read the terms of this business perfectly before you begin to put your time, your energy into marketing proper. Now, when you are authorized, look at this page here. This is what you see. Even when you look at here, you don't see product that you like. There's a search bar here. Just type the name of any product you want. They'll come out here. Or what you have to do is to tap on share item. You see your commission, the cost price of the very product. You just tap to share to anybody you want to share. Okay, this is it. As you can see, is an option for me to share this. Let me tap on more. You can see more option too. Now you can see there's so many options here, many options that you can share this product to. When people tap on it, install the app, buy product, you make a commission. That's it, as simple as ABC. Now, if you don't want to promote products, I personally don't like promoting products. I like inviting other affiliates because so far this business continue to grow. The people that I'm inviting as affiliate are still making it. I will still be paid commission by Temu. In the other way around, if I promote a product to someone now, the person purchases it tomorrow, I promote it to him, I am not getting commission from him again. That's one of the terms of this business. So you can only be paid when someone is new to Temu. When someone installed the app for the first time, you can never earn any commission from someone who has already installed this app previously. So take note. So for me, I focus on inviting other affiliates like you that is watching this video. If you join in now, you begin to make money. Temu will give me percentage, a commission for what you are making. And so far you are on this business, you continue to promote, invite other affiliates. That's how the business works. Nothing more than that. So just below this link, you see my affiliate link. Tap, join it. Join through my link. If you have any issue, contact me. I will give you all what you need to be successful. Tap on the blog post. Read the detailed knowledge on what to be doing and what not to be doing to be successful. Finally, there's another link that will take you to a platform where you can have all the tools, all in one. Tools that you can do any business online. Free. Free. So I have 3 links below this video. Tap on them. Take a look at what they have to offer. Thank you for watching this video. In my next video, I will still share with you some other things you really have to know for you to be successful. Thank you for watching. See you.